1 second. Alright, now do it. Come on. John. This is the cinnamon challenge. Maya's like freaking out. Sophia's just like...
Swallow that. Dude, you're a witch.
You look so like, oh god. It looks like your mouth is being raped by cinnamon.
Well, poke her cheeks. Poke her cheeks. Poke her cheeks.
Don't touch my boobies.
Really that bad?
It makes your mouth like really dry. Look at sexy ass John. Oh my god, turn around.
That looks like a dick, don't it?
It looks like you have a ton of cavities.
It looks like you just have black jizz.
Alright.
I have cotton mouth. Like
We're done.
Serious.